चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। 1. Jair Bolsonaro served as president of which country? Options: A. United Kingdom, B. Brazil, C. Argentina, D. France. And the correct answer is option B. Brazil. Bolsonaro was Brazil's former president and was sentenced for plotting a military coup. Next question. 2. Panchajanya monument is dedicated to the conch of which deity? A. Lord Shiva, B. Lord Krishna, C. Lord Brahma, D. Lord Rama. Correct answer option B. Lord Krishna. Panchajanya was Krishna's divine shank used in the Mahabharata war. Important GK shot. 3. National Milk Day marks the birth anniversary of whom? A. Abdul Kalam, B. Norman Borlaug, C. M.S. Swaminathan, D. Verghese Kurian. Correct answer option D. Verghese Kurian. He led the White Revolution and is called the Milkman of India. Next one, agriculture based. 4. Which state launched the Rethanna Mikosam initiative? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer option B. Andhra Pradesh. This program focuses on water security, agri-tech and farmer support. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। 5. India finished its Deaflympics shooting campaign with how many medals? A. 17, B. 15, C. 18, D. 16. Correct answer option D. 16 medals. India won 7 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze, a record performance. Next question is energy and environment wala question. 6. The pellet plant inaugurated by Prahlad Joshi is located where? A. Rewari, B. Ambala, C. Faridabad, D. Bhiwani. Correct answer option A. Rewari. ये plant crop stubble से biopellets बनाता है to reduce pollution. UPSC type conceptual question. 7. Which Constitution Day statements are correct? A. 1 and 3, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 2, D. All 1, 2, 3. And the correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Constitution Day was declared in 2015, earlier known as Law Day, and the Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Sports current affairs. 8. Where will the FIH Junior Hockey Men's World Cup be held? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer option B. Tamil Nadu. The tournament is being hosted in Chennai. Navy-related important update. 9. INS Vikrant arrived at Colombo for IFR 2025 as part of which occasion? A. Sri Lanka's 75th Independence Day, B. SARC Summit, C. 75th Anniversary of Sri Lanka Navy, D. Colombo Port 100 years. Correct answer option C. 75th Anniversary of Sri Lanka Navy. India participated in the International Fleet Review at their invitation. Last question, international affairs. 10. Which country proposed tax breaks to increase its birth rate to 1.5? A. Poland, B. Latvia, C. Lithuania, D. Estonia. Correct answer option C. Lithuania. They announced tax relief and welfare schemes to solve demographic decline. तो दोस्तों ये थे आज के टॉप 10 करंट अफेयर्स MCQs. रेगुलर रिवीजन से ही सिलेक्शन होता है, सो फॉलो फॉर डेली एग्जाम बूस्टर कंटेंट. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव अ गुड डे.